have our M737VL Clear Tote. Your monogram will go here on the solid fabric area centered between the handles. You will need to add 1 sheet of tearaway to the back of the sewing area. Slide the tote and backing onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame centering on the solid fabric area. Use our flexible ruler to confirm center. Trace your sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesale-boutique.com. One of my favorite embroidery tools that we offer is our lightweight thread clippers by Ginger. They have sharp points for a close snip, stainless steel blades, and are easy for lefties to use. It includes a safety cap with a loop to attach to a lanyard. When your sew is complete, remove the item from the frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.